Hey explorers, welcome back to our channel. In our guide today, each piece of gear we showcase isn't just an item for your backpack. From setting up your campsite to trekking on rugged trails, our hand-picked gear illuminates your path, warms your nights, and supports your journey, all with the magic touch of modern technology. So buckle up and let's get started. Let's start with the Acopower Portable Freezer. This versatile device is ideal for chilling and freezing your goods during camping trips and outdoors. Think of it as your portable refrigerator on the go. Its extendable handles and all-terrain wheels are easy to carry, so it quietly operates at a low sound level. Its spacious interior can hold up to 28 standard 500 ml water bottles. A removable battery powers the unit, reliably running for up to 10 hours on a full charge. For convenience, you can control the temperature using a smartphone app. Moving on, the ultimate tool for any nighttime outdoor adventure is a reliable light source. Meet the NEBO Transcend, a high-intensity, rechargeable headlamp perfect for situations where you need both hands free. The headlamp has an adjustable, reflective strap for hands-free use and a tiltable mount to direct light where needed. Also, it has a strong magnetic base for additional placement options. The lamp is water-resistant and durable, ensuring it withstands outdoor conditions. It charges through a USB cable and indicates when the battery is low. Next, the BioLite Smokeless FirePit Plus is a must-have for those chilly, starry nights when you want to gather around a fire. It ensures you enjoy a smoke-free fire and even double it as a grill. This fire pit features a USB rechargeable power pack that powers an air fan to make the flames more efficient, lasting up to 30 hours on a single charge. It fits up to 4 standard fire logs. With the included grill attachment, you can cook meals hibachi style over the fire. Its unique mesh design radiates heat outward, and you can control the flame size manually or via a Bluetooth smartphone app. For ease of transport, it has foldable legs. For those who prioritize comfort during their outdoor adventures, the Cliq Portable Compact Outdoor Lounge Chair provides a lightweight solution that you can carry effortlessly. It's as compact as a drink bottle, allowing you to carry it effortlessly. Engage its quick setup feature and enjoy stability wherever you go. Despite its lightweight properties, it offers robust support and enduring quality. This chair's versatility extends from your lawn to outdoor adventures, including gatherings, beach days, music festivals, or backpacking trips. Bring comfort with you in an instant with the Cliq chair. The Mishmi Takin Jampui hiking boot isn't just a boot. It's a statement of style, comfort, and resilience, making your mountain adventures more enjoyable without sacrificing urban explorations. Made with 100% leather and a Vibram rubber sole known for superior grip, especially on wet surfaces. These boots feature a fast-drying, 100% waterproof, and highly breathable membrane, making them perfect for any weather. The suede and cordura upper ensures durability and abrasion resistance. An anatomical footbed enhances comfort. Originally launched on Kickstarter, this popular boot combines outdoor performance with city style. Next, the Conchiat LED camping lantern is a portable source of 360 degrees ultra-bright light to brighten your outdoor spaces whenever and wherever you need. Choose from cool, warm, combined whites or strobe lighting modes. At full brightness, it can last for up to 12 hours. The lantern's design is durable and IPX4 water resistant to weather the great outdoors. It features carrying handles and a removable cap for ceiling or hung lighting options. Enjoy versatile illumination wherever you go. Coming up next, OLIGHT introduces the Perun 2 headlamp. This uniquely powerful tool can light up an entire path before you. With a maximum output of 2,500 lumens, it is 25% brighter than typical headlamps, paving a bright path in the darkest conditions. This headlamp is rechargeable, speeding up the charging journey by 33%. Additionally, it has a smart sensor that dims the light when it's too close to an object, avoiding harm to your eyes. The portable design features a magnetic base and a durable strap, making it perfect for hiking, camping, hunting, and more. Remember to pay attention to the importance of a reliable source of fire during your outdoor journeys. The UCO Titan Stormproof Match Kit is designed to be your savior during challenging weather conditions. It includes 12 long-burning matches that remain lit even underwater or in strong winds, lasting up to 25 seconds each. The kit also comes with 3 replaceable strikers for easy ignition. Packaged in a durable, waterproof case that floats, the compact kit measures 4.5 inches tall, making it an ideal companion for camping, hiking, or emergencies. An attachment cord is included for convenience. Moving towards portable shelters, the NEMO Aurora tent is vibrant, lightweight, and spacious. providing a lively aura during your camping experience. Its vibrant colors and competitive price make your camping experience lively and affordable. The tent design incorporates plenty of storage areas for all your gear, ensuring a clutter-free space. While the tent is ideal for people, there's also a consideration for pets. It has built-in snaps to attach a soft, washable fabric that protects the floor and provides extra comfort. A footprint is included to protect the tent floor, extending the tent's life. Cooking outdoors has been revolutionized by products like the GasOne GS8300 Camp Stove, allowing you to carry a powerful stove wherever you go. It's as compact as a 32 ounces water bottle, yet provides an impressive 8,000 BTU heat output. Its robust brass burner head and convenient enamel coating make the stove durable and easy to clean. The setup is straightforward, and an electric piezo auto ignition allows for effortless and safe ignition. This compact stove fits neatly in a bag, perfect for backpacking trips or a quick backyard cookout at home. If setting up a tent sounds like a nightmare, say hello to Bushnell's pop-up tent, promising you a tent ready within a minute. Crafted from strong, durable materials, it's designed to endure harsh conditions with higher denier fabric for the walls and the floor. Offering excellent ventilation, the tent has large windows, a mesh door, and wall panels to ensure airflow, keeping the interior cool. The tent's unique design maximizes interior space, providing a dome-like atmosphere. At the same time, the included rainfly and waterproof seams keep you dry in all weather. Available in sizes for 3, 4, 6, or 8 people. It's perfect for all outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and more. For those times when you require a stable power source during your outdoor adventures, the GENMAX GM1200i Quiet Power Series inverter generator has got your back. Its 57cc 4-stroke gas engine can generate 1,200 starting watts or sustain 1,000 running watts. It weighs a paltry 25.3 pounds, which, combined with the sturdy handle, makes it highly portable. It operates with low noise and includes convenient features like low oil, and overload alarms, and a carbon monoxide shutdown sensor. It's perfect for home backup power, camping, and more. If sleeping outdoors is a concern, the Matrix Comfort Cell Memory Foam Camping Mattress offers plush comfort wherever you go. This roll-up mattress pairs the luxury of memory foam with a 100% waterproof, machine-washable cover. Its non-slip bottom is ideal for hard floors and comes with a useful pocket for essentials. Measuring 62 inches long by 26 inches wide, it comfortably fits one person and includes a free storage bag for easy transport. Perfect for camping, guest bedding, or playmats for kids, this mattress comes with a 6-month guaranteed refund policy. Lastly, for outdoor cooking convenience, the Caveman Grill Mini is a wonder, offering a compact yet comprehensive cooking solution. It's extremely lightweight, easily fitting in a backpack, and weighing less than 2 pounds. Despite its small size, it can feed up to 8 people and folds flat for convenience, thinner than a laptop. This versatile grill supports various fuels like charcoal, wood chips, and even a propane burner attachment. It features 3 skewer slots for kebabs alongside the main grill area. Though skewers are not included, there's an optional flat-top griddle for making breakfast items. The Caveman Grill Mini comes in 2 sizes, each with a cooking surface, handles, and a carrying bag to suit different outdoor needs. And there you have it, folks. From the ideal portable freezer to the coziest camping mattress and the most efficient grill, we have journeyed through an array of gear ready to elevate your outdoor experience. Don't forget to support us on this journey by subscribing to our YouTube channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and sharing it with your fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Your engagement fuels us to provide more curated information on the best outdoor products. Have any thoughts or favorite gear suggestions? Don't hesitate to drop your questions or ideas in the comments section below. We'd love your feedback. Interested in any of these products? Check out the links in the description for more details. Your support is vital for us to continue creating insightful and engaging content. Until next time, may your adventures be happy and filled with unforgettable moments.